How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add your logo in 3D Fusion 360. So the first thing that you want to do is to, of course, just make yourself a project. Now I have an example sketch right here. And then you want to head over to this specific website called convertio.co. From here, just select the file option. It will basically open up your file explorer. And from here, we can then open up our logo. So in my case, it's going to be this one, PNG file. Click on open. And then you just want to click on the convert option. It will then convert our file onto an SVG on which we can then use for Fusion 360. Let's click on download, open it up, and then head over to Fusion 360. Click on insert. And then what you can do is to simply drag your image inside. Now, for some other reasons, in other cases, this isn't gonna work. And basically when that happens, you can just open up the file manually inside the browse section, which is going to be this one, insert from my computer. And then you can manually look for your SVG file. So in my case, it's going to be inside this specific folder. Let's then search for a logo. And then it's going to be this one right here. And it's going to be this one right here. You also want to make sure to select the SVG format. Now, if the image didn't work, you can also click on this drop down menu, select the insert SVG and do the same thing, which is to look for your file. And then you can just click on it. From there, it will open up our file right here. So it's going to depend on how big your file is. So what you can do is to just drag it inside your format. And then in my case, I'm going to be adding in an extrusion onto my file right here. So it's going to be extremely easy. But generally, that's how you do it, guys. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.